Ladies, it's day 5 and we're leveling up. Today we're conquering pull-ups, the ultimate move for sculpting a strong, sexy and athletic body. If you want toned arms, a defined back and that powerful, confident posture, this is your exercise. Let's get it. Not only does a pull-up look super impressive, but it's one of the best bodyweight exercises to strengthen your lats, biceps and middle back, all without any fancy equipment. But I know what you're thinking. Pull-ups are hard, and you're right, but don't worry, I got progressions to get you there. No matter where you are, you can do this. Here's how to build your pull-up strength step by step. Dead hangs, grip the bar and hang for 20 to 30 seconds. This builds grip strength. Scapular pulls, engage your shoulders and do mini lifts to activate your back muscles. Assisted pull-ups. Use a resistance band or an assisted machine to lighten the load. Negative pull-ups. Jump up and slowly lower down to build control and power. Once you've built up strength, here's how to nail the perfect pull-up. Step 1. Grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Step 2, engage your core and pull your shoulders down and back. Step 3, drive through your arms and lats, pull your chest toward the bar. Step 4, lower with control. No dropping like a sack of potatoes. Ready for today's challenge? Here's your goal. Beginners 3 to 5 assisted pull-ups. Intermediate 5 to 10 full pull-ups. Advanced 10 or more unbroken pull-ups. Drop a comment below. How many pull-ups did you get? This is day 5 of our 7-day sculpting challenge and you're crushing it. Tomorrow we're hitting next workout focus. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a session. Let's keep building that strong, sexy, athletic body together.